Okay, this video has nothing to do with my YouTube channel. I'm just helping a family friend list their vehicle. It's a 2004 GX 470 with the V8, 260 something thousand miles on it, and it just started smoking a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and it was just smoking at the beginning of the startup, and it was fine driving, but now it just continuously smokes, and it actually smells like oil. But anyway, she's just getting rid of it, so she doesn't want to deal with it. Tires need to be replaced all the way around, and the wheels they could be replaced or take them off and clean them up, maybe recoat them, resurface them, or repaint them. Be a great project vehicle. The vehicle actually rides really nice. Get that engine smoke figured out. Maybe put some wheels and tires on it. And it's actually a very nice ride vehicle. So, and the body's in great shape. For 2004, there's no door dinks. Yeah, no rust. Headlights have a little bit of oxidation, but not too bad. Probably clean up pretty good. Does have roof racks up top there. Running boards, it's fully loaded. I'll start from the back, work my way up front, sit in the cockpit, and then start up the engine. But all leather, fully loaded, third row seating. Leather's in great shape. Those are the floor mats. I just took them out and put them back here. They're in awful shape. The carpet is actually in great shape throughout the vehicle. A little panel there missing on the corner. See? That one's there. I can't imagine it costing too much if you wanted to make this thing cherry again. We'll start over here. And back seat and the third row seat are great condition. Definitely for a 2004. The leather is going to be a gray leather. And for this Lexus, I believe it's real leather. I don't think it's leatherette or pleather or faux leather, whatever you want to call it. I'll show off the carpets. The carpets, they have not been shampooed. So DVD players in there. You can go online, look at the options on the 2004 model, but it's fully loaded. It's got a TV. Owner says she thinks it works. Sunroof. I usually do my videos with a gimbal, so sorry, I'm just kind of holding the camera, and sorry if it's a little shaky. Co-pilot seats in actually pretty good shape for 2004. That wood grain dash is in excellent condition. 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low. Pause there, show all the buttons. All right. Yeah. Okay. Kind of show off the dash here real quick. Infotainment center. Tape deck. Here we go. It's gray or blue smoke, but hopefully you can tell in the video what color it is, but I guess there's a difference in what's causing it, depending on the color. If it's blue or gray, I really can't tell. It looks gray to me. Anyway, it's continuously doing it now, but in the beginning it was just doing it startup for a couple seconds. But anyway, at least I can show you the mileage. 263,000 miles. And the air pressure sensor stays on. Anyway, it's probably just a sensor on the tire monitor. Maintenance light is on. The last time it was checked, it was an oxygen sensor, I think, but it was nothing major. So anyway, and menu, climate control. See, infotainment center works fine. Stereo. See, so yeah, it's just that smoking. Actually, see, look, it's not smoking anymore. It's like a little bit. Anyway, there you go. A 2004 GX 470. Yeah, see, it's not smoking anymore. It's so strange. Not sure what size the engine is, but it's a V8. You can look it up. And there's no knocking or anything like that. And again, it rides fine. It's just the owner, they don't want to mess with it with the smoking now. They're just going to get another vehicle. But do a last walk around, kind of show that there's no door dinks or anything like that. It'd be a great project vehicle. And again, no rust or anything like that. There you go.